What a beautiful day on the farm. My carrots are growing so well this year. Soon it will be time for harvest. I wonder how big they've grown. Every year brings new surprises. I love my farm and all its wonders. Perfect! Just the right size. This one will be great for dinner. My goodness, look at those leaves. They're much bigger than the others. Could it be a giant carrot? I've never seen anything like it. It's enormous, like a small house. How did it grow so big?
Well, it's harvest time for this one too. I'll just have to pull it out. Here we go. 1, 2. This is going to be a big one. It's not moving an inch. This carrot is really stuck. Whew. I'm all out of breath. This is much harder than I thought. I can't do this alone. I need some help.
Tất nhiên rồi. Tôi biết phải hỏi ai rồi. Những người bạn nông trại của tôi. Chicken, oh chicken, are you there, my feathery friend? Hello, little chicken.
Cluck, cluck, cluck.
What can I do for you, bác nông dân? I need your help with something truly enormous. There's a giant carrot in the field that won't come out.
A giant carrot, you say? Cluck, cluck. I'm ready to help, bác nông dân.
Thank you, little chicken. With your help, we might just do it. All right, chicken, are you ready?
Cluck, cluck. As ready as I'll ever be.
Pooh, chicken, pooh. Cluck, cluck, cluck.
I'm pulling, bác nông dân.
Oh dear, it didn't budge.
Cluck! I'm all tired out.
We need more strength.
Cluck.
Cluck, cluck. Who else can help us? Of course, pig. Cluck, cluck. Good idea, bác nông dân. Pig. Oh, pig. Cluck, cluck. We need you.
Hello, pig.
Oink, oink. What brings you here, friends? We need your strong back, pig. There's a giant carrot, bigger than you can imagine. A giant carrot? Oink-tastic! I love carrots. I'll help you pull it.
Thank you, pig.
Cluck, cluck. The more the merrier. All right, team, ready? Oink, oink, ready. Pull harder, everyone. Oink. We're trying our best.
Still nothing. This is tougher than I thought. Cluck, cluck. We need more help.
Who else has a strong pull?
Oink. Someone big and strong.
Of course, cow.
Cluck, cluck. She's very strong.
Cow. Oh, cow.
Oink. We need your strength.
Hello, cow.
Moo. What can I do for you all? We need your incredible strength, cow. The giant carrot is still stuck.
A giant carrot? Movelis. I'll certainly lend my strength to the team. Thank you, cow.
Oink. Now we have a super team.
All right, mighty team, are we ready?
Move. Ready when you are, bác nông dân. Nó nhúc nhích rồi.
Một chút thôi.
Cục, cục, kéo tiếp đi.
Almost. But not quite.
Move. It's still so heavy.
What else can we do? Oink. I don't think we're strong enough. Oh, hello there, little ant. What are you doing here?
I can help too. Even a tiny ant can make a difference.
You, little ant? Oink! But you're so tiny.
You're right, little friend. Every bit of strength helps. Come join our team. One last try, everyone. Move. All together now. On the count of 3, cluck. 1, 2, 3, P-U-L-L. It's moving. Keep going. Oink. We're almost there.
Almost. Just a little more.
Whoa.
We did.
We actually did it.
Oink, oink. What a pull. Look at our magnificent carrot. Moo. It's bigger than I ever imagined. We couldn't have done it without each and every one of you.
Cluck, cluck. Teamwork makes the dream work.
This shows us that even the smallest among us can make a big difference.
Oink. And that together, we are strong. Now, let's enjoy the fruits of our teamwork.
Cluck, cluck. Delicious. What a day, my friends.
Moo. The best carrot I've ever tasted.
Good night, my wonderful friends.
Good night, bác nông dân. Together, we can do anything.